Hello viewers! If you ask me, fuel injection, which uses high pressure injectors controlled by the ECM, was one of the most significant improvements in the automotive industry. When compared to carburetors, it made cars more efficient, powerful, easier to drive and, above all, more reliable. But what if the fuel injection starts acting up and causing problems? To answer this, we'll find out what to expect when one or more fuel injectors are bad and, more importantly, what to do if that's the case. For a start, let's take a moment to explain how the fuel injector works, as this should help you understand the symptoms. As their name suggests, fuel injectors are responsible for delivering fuel to the engine when it's running. Their operation is controlled by the ECU, which adjusts it depending on the running conditions to achieve optimum performance and efficiency. Apart from the injectors, other vital components of the fuel injection system include the pump and pressure regulator, which we have already covered in our previous videos. If we were to cut the injector in half, we'd see this is a relatively simple component. The gasoline coming from the fuel rail passes through the filter at the top, which catches any dirt or other particles. And once it enters the injector's housing, its flow is temporarily stopped by a spring-loaded needle or plunger, as some call it. This remains shut until the ECM activates this electromagnetic solenoid and pulls the plunger upwards, allowing fuel toward the spray tip. This is a nozzle that turns liquid into a fine mist in a process called atomization. And as such, it mixes with the air more efficiently. Okay, having learned how the fuel injector works, let's now see what you could expect if one of them doesn't work correctly. A faulty fuel injector will offset the air-fuel mixture, which will become either rich or lean. The ECM will detect this and try to fix the problem by trimming the injection. And if this doesn't help, it will trigger a check engine light and store a corresponding code, which you can retrieve with an OBD2 scanner. Any air-fuel mixture deviations caused by injector issues will likely affect how the engine runs at idle. If they are clogged or dirty, your car might run rough while idling or even stall when coming to a stop. With fuel injectors not giving the right amount of fuel, the engine will be down on power. One of the things you'll probably notice is hesitation and poor throttle response when trying to accelerate. This is usually caused by dirty injectors that fail to deliver finely dispersed fuel. Another thing you may have is vibrations and loud knocking sound from the engine bay while accelerating or under heavy loads. This happens if the injectors are not delivering enough fuel, making the mixture extremely lean. And as such, it will self-ignite during compression, which can cause severe engine damage. If the injector for any reason is not working at all, you'll have a misfire. The same will happen if it's stuck wide open, as this overfuels the corresponding cylinder and floods it. In most cars, you'll have a flashing check engine light on your dashboard when a misfire happens. If the injector is leaking, you may have trouble starting the car, especially when its engine is warm. This happens when the nozzle on the injector is damaged and doesn't seal fully, allowing gasoline to leak into the intake. As this floods the engine, you'll have to press the throttle hard to start it. An emission test is done by a machine that closely analyzes the composition of exhaust gases. And if a faulty fuel injector offsets the air-fuel mixture, this will be noticed during the testing procedure. With a rich mixture, you can expect the CO and HC content to be higher than acceptable. A lot of unburned fuel because of the rich running engine will cause a strong fuel odor from the tailpipe. This will be most noticeable while idling or reversing, as these fumes get into the cabin. In addition, you may notice puffs of black smoke when accelerating sharply. In some rare cases, the injector's housing may crack, causing pressurized fuel to spray over the hot engine components. If this happens, you may notice gasoline all over the engine bay and underneath the vehicle. This is extremely dangerous, as it can cause fire and mustn't be ignored. Lastly, with the fuel injectors not working correctly, some of the gasoline might be wasted as it goes unburnt into the exhaust. In addition, if the engine is down on power, you'll probably press the throttle much harder to get the car going. All of this, in the end, increases fuel consumption. Injector's job is to deliver the fuel to the engine when running, which determines its position. In most cases they are fitted on the intake manifold near the cylinder head with the fuel rail at the top of them. Sometimes, however, the injectors may be hidden by the intake or other engine components, which makes finding them a bit tricky. Cars with diesel engines, as well as some newer gasoline-powered models, have so-called direct fuel injection. Here, the injectors are fitted into the cylinder head, from where they spray the fuel into the cylinders under extremely high pressures. In most cases, fuel injector problems are caused by dirt buildups inside their nozzles. This affects the spray pattern, reducing the ability to turn liquid gasoline into a finely atomized mist. This can also obstruct the flow through the injector, lowering the amount of injected fuel. On the other hand, the plunger inside the injector may not seal properly, which creates a leak and allows gasoline to escape into the intake when the engine is off. Next, the solenoid inside the injector, which opens and closes it, may die, leaving the injector in a fully shut position. Lastly, as mentioned before, the housing might crack and develop an external leak. In the end, don't forget the wiring and the connector at the injector's end. These can be damaged, loose or corroded, causing the fuel injector to sporadically or permanently stop working. In most cases, a simple visual inspection could reveal if this is the case. Because most issues with fuel injectors are caused by dirt buildups, cleaning them might fully restore their function. And there are two ways of doing this you can try. One is to use some sort of injector cleaner fluid, which you can buy at a parts store or on the internet. There are plenty of products to choose from, but we'd recommend using something like Liquid Moly, Redline or Lucas. The application is in most cases simple. You will need to pour the bottle into a full tank of fuel and drive your car as usual. If the cleaner fluid doesn't help, you could have your injectors ultrasonically cleaned. This process uses strong solvents and sound waves to remove buildups inside the injector, fully restoring its function. But as this requires special and expensive equipment, it's not something you can do at home. Instead, you'll have to find a specialized workshop that offers this service. And besides cleaning the injectors, they will also check their spray patterns afterward. How much it will cost to solve your fuel injector issues depends on what you've decided to do. With prices at around $10 per bottle, fuel injector cleaners are the cheapest option. Ultrasonic cleaning, which usually costs $20 to $40 per injector, is a bit more expensive, but even as such, this is still much cheaper than brand new injectors, whose prices are above $100 a piece. Moreover, diesel and high-pressure gasoline injectors are even more expensive and may cost up to $1,000. Then there are labor costs, which widely depend on how difficult it is to remove the injectors. In most cars, the fuel rail and injectors are easy to access, which makes the whole job much quicker. But in some V6 and V8 engines, the intake manifold or some of its segments have to be removed first while doing so. This adds time to the repair and makes it more expensive. So viewers, that's all about fuel injectors for now. I hope this video helped you understand how they work, figure out if you have a faulty one, and most importantly, that you fixed the issue. If so, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to keep your fuel injectors clean in the long run, use top quality gasoline only and replace the fuel filter on time. On the other hand, something else could be causing your issues. So to continue troubleshooting, check out other videos here or visit our site mechanicbase.com for detailed automotive repair guides. Bye!